Information can come from a variety of places, including books, articles, and websites. Wherever this information comes from, it usually can be divided into two main types: scholarly sources and popular sources. A scholarly source is a book or journal article written by one or more experts in the field. Often, this expert is a professor. To have a scholarly article or book published, it has to go through a special process called peer review. This means that independent experts in the author's field have to review the manuscript and determine if it is high enough quality and significance to merit publishing. If it is reviewed favorably, then the editor will probably choose to publish the piece. Once the piece is published, other experts from around the world in that scholarly discipline can analyze the results and even choose to do their own research in response. A popular source does not go through the same rigorous peer review process. It could be an article from a magazine or newspaper, a blog post, podcast, content from a website, or a book that is not published by a university press. Just because something is a popular source doesn't mean that it is inferior or has less value than a scholarly source. Both types serve a different function. There may be times when you need to find and identify both kinds of sources for a class project. How can we tell the difference? Let's look at this article from a Briggs Library database. Scholarly articles tend to be longer. Include a list of references, either in a bibliography or as footnotes, and have authors with academic credentials. This article meets that criteria, so it is scholarly. Here's another article from a Briggs Library database. Notice how short it is. The authors don't have any credentials, and there is no bibliography at the end. This is a magazine article and is a popular source.